What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video, and today we're going to take a look at our good friend Algo because we haven't taken a look at it in a while, and I see some bullish things going on for the long-term charts, which get me so excited. So that sounds good to you guys, and you guys are new to today's channel. Make sure you guys press that subscribe button down below. I'm going to know if you guys press that subscribe button. I'm going to know. Just kidding as always, guys. But as we jump on into the daily chart here, you guys can see we're still in this rising wedge. Now, I was talking about this rising wedge way back in December, right? And it's still playing out. You guys can see we've gotten multiple touches on the top of this rising wedge, getting rejected every time. And we've gotten multiple touches on the bottom now. So 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom now, which confirms this as a confirmed rising wedge. Now, we are going up here on the daily, and I expect a retest of the top of this rising wedge in the short term. We've got a nice engulfing candle here with this green candle engulfing the 2 red candles ago. So that's extremely bullish in the short term. But I just first wanted to show you guys this rising wedge pattern here. There's not many signals that I want to look at on the daily. No divergences, no EMA tests, nothing like that. So just wanted to first point out that it is likely we go up and retest the top of this wedge before maybe coming back down and retesting the bottom. Now, I'm going to switch on over to the hourly chart here. I'm just going to show you guys what I think we are in the short term. So in the short term time frame, we are getting, first on the RSI, we are getting, if you look at this, we're getting higher, we are getting regular bearish divergence here. If you look at our bearish divergence chart, we're getting higher highs in price action, but lower highs in the on our RSI or on the indicator, right? So this is just the hourly chart. So this is the super short time frame. So it doesn't mean we have to dump like majorly, but what I am seeing here is a bearish divergence, which could just maybe we come back down and retest our neckline of this possible head and shoulders pattern. I think our neckline is about right here on this inverse head and shoulder. On this inverse head and shoulders, we're going to push up to the upside. So maybe this bearish divergence just makes us come back down and retest this at about the 54 cents mark before bouncing and continuing on to the upside. That would make perfect sense. We do like to retest these necklines on the inverse head and shoulders to confirm them. So that's what I'm seeing here. Slight 1 hour bearish divergence, but other than that, nothing else really playing out on the hourly chart. I'm going to take a look at the measured move of this inverse head and shoulders, which I think is pretty much confirmed now. But if we take our measured move here from the bottom of the head to our neckline and we put it at our breakout point, which is right there, and then we go up, my target for this is about 64 or 65.4 cents. So make sure you guys mark that on your charts. That kind of lines up with, maybe somewhere at the top of this channel here, somewhere around this area. So maybe we kind of go up something like this and then come back down. That would make perfect sense here if we continue to go up past this inverse head and shoulders on the hourly chart. But that's the hourly chart, guys. Nothing crazy here. Short-term pullback, probably likely, and then a move back up to the upside. So on the weekly chart, this is what I'm super excited about. We also have a majorly long-term inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. We've talked about this countless times on my channel, and this is why I mean, from a low cap, semi-low cap, or medium cap altcoin, this is why I talk about Algorand a decent much, because this reversal pattern where we got major dump, and then we got literally our left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder playing out perfectly is so perfect. And what did we just do in the last weekly chart? Well, we broke from our neckline, which is right here. We broke from our neckline and we came back down and retested it as support, confirming it as support, which should push us to the upside. That is absolutely crazy, right? Nothing really going on in the RSI down here. You guys can see we've been in an upwards trend pretty much for the most part, and the RSI is an upward trend as well. So as soon as I see an edge on the RSI here, as far as my divergences go, I will let you guys know and I'll make a video about it. But we honestly don't even need that right now. The inverse head and shoulders from our bottom to our neckline here, and we take it from our breakout point, that would give us a measured move of about 81 cents, which makes sense because that is just about at our resistance point right about here, right? From where we got a little bit of a fake out pump and we moved back down. So that makes perfect sense as a breakout point. I don't think that's going to end it, right? That's just the start of this, but it's going to put us near that price action all-time high, which is right around that 83 cents mark. So that's the weekly chart here, guys. Extremely bullish things going on the weekly chart here, which gets me so excited for Algo. I like this retest here. This just shows me how much buy pressure there is too. You guys can see how big this wick is to the downside here. This wick literally is almost 23% wick, which shows how much buy pressure there is for Algo, and people know where this is going. So that's the weekly chart here, guys. As we switch on over the Algo Bitcoin chart, this is also why I'm extremely bullish in the long term for Algo. You guys can see we have our classic, and what I want to see in this is our bullish divergence, which is lower lows in the price action and higher lows on the RSI. You guys can see here, you should be buying at the bottom here. And right now we're pretty much right at that buy zone. You guys can see we keep getting higher lows on the RSI, but for some reason we keep making lower highs in price action. And this is showing that the sellers are getting exhausted and we are due for a move on to the upside for the Algo Bitcoin pair. So if you guys are trading the Algo Bitcoin pair, this looks like a great buy opportunity for at least a short-term trade. You guys can see when we touch this, we usually get a decent move to the upside. And this just keeps playing out here for this bullish divergence. So look for a possible move up at least past this local high here if you guys are trading this pair. Or for altcoin trade, like altcoins, if you guys want to buy an altcoin, Algo looks like a good one to buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but just based on this chart, it looks like Algo is ready for a nice move against Bitcoin. So that is pretty much the short video on Algo today, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update before we do get a major move. I think a big move is coming for Algo within the next couple days. We're going to see if we can break this resistance or if we get rejected at this resistance up here and move back down. So I wanted to get this video out before we do get a big move, but I appreciate you guys watching my channel today, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go follow my Twitter. There's a right in the comment section below, right in that pinned comment, you'll see my link to my Twitter. Go follow me over there for just basic updates and just so you guys can know when I upload my videos and things of that nature. And if you guys are new to today's channel and you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you guys press that subscribe button down below, and also go check out my other video that I made today on Ethereum. Great video on Ethereum I uploaded later, tons of content in there, so hope you guys enjoy that as well. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's videos. Make sure you guys looking out for those. You guys will see 2 videos tomorrow as well. And as always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Enjoy that last time of relaxation until we get into that crappy Monday. I'm there with you guys. Monday sucks. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.